Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to Zillow account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or launch the Zillow app on your phone. If you are on a computer, type Zillow, comment to the address bar, and press enter. If you are on the app, make sure it is updated from the App Store or Google Play. On the Zillow homepage or app home screen, look for the Sign In button at the top right. Tap or click Sign In to open the login options. Choose Continue with email if you want to log in using your email address. Enter the email address you used when creating your Zillow account. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Tap or click Sign In to access your account. If you see an option to stay signed in, use it only on your personal device. If you prefer, select Continue with Google to sign in with your Google account. Pick the correct Google account from the list or add a new one if needed. Allow permissions if prompted so Zillow can connect to your Google login. You can also choose Continue with Apple if you created your account with Apple ID. Confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password when asked. If you have trouble with the password, click or tap Forgot Password on the sign-in page. Enter your email address and request a password reset link. Open your email inbox and look for the Zillow password reset message. If you do not see it, check spam or junk folders and search for Zillow. Open the email and click the reset link to create a new password. Return to Zillow and sign in again using the new password. If Zillow asks for a verification code, check your email or phone for the code. Enter the code exactly as shown and submit it to complete verification. If you are signing in on a shared computer, avoid saving your password in the browser. After signing in, confirm you are in the right account by checking your profile icon or name. Go to your saved homes, saved searches, or messages to make sure everything is available. If you are still unable to sign in, clear your browser cache or try another browser. For app issues, force close the app, reopen it, or reinstall it and try signing in again. Subscribe to the channel and like the video for more easy step-by-step guides. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.